Hello, folks. It's time for us to work a little bit more on rhythm and composing with rhythm. So here's a really fun, easy way to get started. Open up a browser and go to musicplayonline.com and scroll down the side here to where it says rhythm composition. Open up interactive rhythm composition. Now, these first two levels you'll find very, very easy. They're both the same. Just one looks like lines and zigzags, and the other one looks more like notes, but they do the same thing. So as soon as we open this up, the instructions drop down. You can read them and click on them. They go away. You've got a ta or a TT, so a quarter note or a pair of eighth notes and a quarter rest. These are the ones that you can choose from. We can go ta, ti, ti, ta, ta, ti, 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 ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, rest, ti, ti, rest, ti, ti, ta. And then let's choose, how about the djembe? And let's hear what this sounds like. It'll give you that count in 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta. Okay, so that's a pretty fun one, but I think you're ready for the next level. You have to close that window and then get back out of it. You could go to level 3 if you want, where you're getting not just quarter notes and eighth notes, but you're also getting half notes, whole notes, and the corresponding rests, except they're not giving you eighth note rests yet. So this one, we could do a whole note. If you do a whole note, look at this. A whole note is worth 4 beats. A half note is worth 2 beats because it only takes up half of the bar, right? That's why it gets called a half note. Let's try a quarter note, and a quarter note only takes up a quarter of the bar, right? 1/4 of it. And 2 eighth notes together, they equal 1/4, so they take up the same amount of space as a quarter note. And we can do this, and then finally T, 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 T. Oh, and if I wanted to use a whole note, I wouldn't be able to because there just isn't enough room here. So I'll go ta, ta. Now I find the piano is nice for ones like this because it lasts the whole amount of time for a whole note. Listen, there's our count in. 3, 4, 1, 2, 1. Okay, so that's all right too. Now, let me just show you one more. Let's go to level 6. I'm liking level 6 here because that introduces to us ticka-tickas, T-tickas. This is a ticka-T, so anything that's a T has a beam across the top or occasionally one flag if you just have 1/8 note. But anything that's ticka-ticka has 2 beams across the top. So that makes this ticka-T, makes this one T-ticka. And, we've also got a dotted half note. Now the dot on a half note makes it last 1.5 times as long as it normally would. Remember, a half note would normally last 2 beats. And what's half of 2? Half of 2 is 1, so 2 plus 1 is 3. So that's how you get a note to last 3 beats long. Watch this. There, look, blanked out those 3. And then let's go with ticka-ticka. And then how about ticka-T, T-ticka, ticka-T, T-ticka. And then we could go ta, T, T, ticka-ticka, ta, ticka-T, ticka-T, T, T, ta. Sure, let's try that. And let's try it, how about this time with the xylophone? 2, 3, and ta. Ticka, 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 T. Yeah, so go ahead, have some fun with that, explore around a little bit, and please know that we will definitely be doing more of this next year. Okay, take care.